Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. I journaled with the new Daphne's Diary magazine, which just arrived. This month's Daphne's Diary is full of beautiful crafting ideas and gorgeous houses. So as usual, I'm cutting photographs, images, and quotes or titles that I want to keep in my journal. In this issue, there was an article about Claude Monet. He has been one of my favorite artists since I was little. I had chances to see his paintings in different museums in different cities, but what I love the most is the water lilies in Orangerie Museum in Paris. It is a series of 8 large paintings. They were speechless beyond description. If you visit Paris, you should go to the Orangerie Museum. The water lilies made it the best museum for me. So back to the journaling. I'm done cutting from the magazine and I decided to work on this page. They are vintage printable that will be included in the next month digital kit which I'm working on. I thought the yellow and green colors would go well with this page. I used the doily to back the painting on the right page and I added another one on the left page because it had the yellow and apples. And it's September, autumn is so in the air where I live. This vintage linen was perfect to represent autumn for me. This is a sticker sheet that I bought in the Orangerie Museum a couple of years ago. They are water lilies. I was trying to find a place for one of these beautiful stickers, but I couldn't. I pulled out a piece of vintage book page, tore in the edges, and added them in the background. This is a catalog of watercolors. I cut out one of the page corners that matches the color and added on my page corner. There were beautiful fruit tags at the end of the Daphne's diary. I cut one of them to make a fold out. I'm gluing the pieces. I'm making a fold out with a washi tape. This is a label from my September digital vintage kit. I wrote the title of the painting on it. And the last, it is not showing well on the camera. I drew a frame on the painting with a white gel pen. This page is done like this. I was so happy to journal with Monet's painting and I love the color tone of this journaling. I really like the autumn vibe in this page. I hope you enjoy this journaling process. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!